Hi everyone, welcome to this new series where we take a complete HTML and CSS portfolio website and convert it step by step into a fully functional WordPress theme. Here is our HTML and CSS website. We're gonna convert to WordPress. To get the files, go to my website and find portfolio website HTML and CSS and click on purchase. Download it. And here is what we're gonna create at the end. This part will be customizable from the Gutenberg editor. For this part, we will use custom post types to manage skills. Also, this part will be editable from the WordPress backend, and to create that we will use custom post types, and also this part will be editable from the WordPress backend. Let's show it. Here is the skills section. Just click here at the title and the icon from the font answer. Projects. This projects. Click add the project title, project description, technologies, project URL, and project category. Project category, project URL, project technologies, and also the project image here. And for the skills, we will have a title and an icon. And also the footer will be customizable from the WordPress customize section here. To add a link here, just add here it. Also email, LinkedIn, and WhatsApp. And also let's see how we can edit this part. Click here on the edit page and add a title and text and image. For skills, latest project and full project archive, we will use short codes. So if you don't want to, for example, to have a skills section, just click here option and you can delete it and just remove it. For tools we gonna will be using a Laragon to run our local development server. It is very easy to run to spin up WordPress projects, and for the coding I will use Visual Studio Code. When you download Laragon, just open it, click here, click on Start All, then go on the menu, Quick App, WordPress, call it Portfolio, click OK, wait a few seconds, and click Reset, choose language you want to use, choose add a site title, username, and a password, confirm use a weak password and install WordPress. Login. We are done with this. I want also to show what extensions we're gonna need. Go click here on extensions and find a live server. And for the WordPress, you can use WordPress snippets. I will show you how you can use a live server later when you code, so you don't need to reload all the time.